Namaskar. I am Majishta from Government College for Girls, Ludhiana. Welcomes you all to the very first news bulletin of session 24-25. On 15 July, Government College for Girls, Ludhiana commenced its 3rd and 5th semester classes, unveiling new opportunities and resources for a productive term. On 25th July, GCG marked a significant occasion with the installation of the Student Council for 24-25 academic year and the induction ceremony of the first year students under the guidance of Principal Ma'am Mrs. Sumilata ji. It began with a briefing on various rules and regulations of the college, examination procedures, various societies and clubs like Rotary Club, NSS, NCC and many more for the newcomers by respected teacher in charges. The highlight was the induction of 49 student council members who were presented with sashes and badges signifying their commitment to leadership. Majishta and Khushi were honored as head girl and secretary, while Namisha and Bhakti assumed the roles of deputy head girl and joint secretary. Following the ceremony, Principal Madam addressed everyone present with an inspiring speech to strive to be the best versions of themselves. The event concluded by an oath ceremony where the council members solemnly swore to uphold their duties and responsibilities with integrity and dedication. On 25th July, a tree plantation drive was launched in collaboration with Free Punjab Girls Battalion NCC in Bajra village under the esteemed guidance of Principal Mrs. Sumilata ji. Key figures in this green initiative included Mr. Jaswinder Singh ji, member of Block Samiti, Mr. Balwinder Singh ji, former Managing Director of Cooperative Bank Ludhiana, Mr. Sarabjit Singh ji, member of Panchayat, Lithuanian Miss Jasdeep Kaur and Mr. Rajkumar ji. The event saw robust participation from the local community, with villagers collaborating with cadets to dig holes, plant trees and provide initial care for young saplings. As usual, the girls of GCG emerged as shining stars in the results of Punjab University. Mehak Bansal from BCom 6th Sem bagged 4th position University. From BSc 6th Sem, Gurleen Kaur bagged 5th position in University, supplementing these triumphs by securing 3rd and 5th university positions in BCA 4th semester. Shikha secured 3rd position in University with 340 marks out of 375 and Jasleen Kaur secured 5th position by securing 337 marks out of 375. Adding to these milestones, Prerna of MSc IT semester 2nd bagged 2nd position in university examinations by securing 1088 marks out of 1250. Acknowledging the milestones reached, College Principal Mrs. Sumilata ji expressed her happiness and congratulated the students and appreciated the efforts and hard work of every head of department and teachers. With this, we came to the end of the very first news bulletin of session 24-25. We will be back with another news bulletin very soon. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.